Welcome back to my channel, and today's episode is I hate to clean my cymbals. So, hack for cleaning cymbals. Get it done quicker, more efficient, and so it gives you more time to play drums. So here we go. Never fails. You know, you don't want to do it because you hate it, but you have to do it if you like, shiny cymbals, and especially if you're playing with brilliant cymbals such as custom A's or the Sabian line. This is a custom A splash here that I just cleaned, and I use different cleaning solutions depends on the cymbal. So for the right now I'm using the Nomad cymbal cleaner for the brilliant cymbals, and of course for the Peisty cymbals I'm using the Peisty cleaner and the protector. It takes a lot of time if you have a lot of cymbals. So today's episode is I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that I've learned through times, and finding a quicker way to clean them. Doesn't take quite as long. Of course, it all depends on the cleaning solutions you use and all that. Different people like different cleaning solutions. So if you want, you can post below some of your favorite cleaning solutions and how long it's taken you to clean your cymbals. We're going to show you an example too on this 8-inch A cymbal splash. I'm going to use the Peisty cleaner on this. As you can see, it's not filthy, but it's not shiny either. So I'm going to show you what I do and how I make it a little bit quicker. So I'm using a drill, and I'm using a buffing cleaning pad, and then after I do so, I wipe it down and then I buff it with a buffer. So for the larger cymbals, you want to keep these clean after a while. After each one, they're going to get pretty dirty, so you got to clean these things up. Or just go out and buy it. You can buy little packets at buffing kits, and they come with different things. They come with a sanding pad, yellow foam pad, white closed seal pad, and a wool pad. So this one, I believe, is the finishing. So let's see what we got. So we're going to start off with cleaning. So I'm going to put a little bit of cleaner on the cymbal, and just a tad is all you need. And then we're going to I use less pressure around the label, but I'm not one that worries about the label. As you can see, this is a little more effective than using elbow grease. This is real time as well. So, and again, this cymbal's not that dirty. I'm going to bring my hi-hat cymbals down on the next one. They're a little dirtier, and we'll see a bigger difference there. Okay, once we have that done, use a sock or something very soft, kind of rub it in, and then what I do is I clean it off with water. Clean it. As you can see, bingo, it's already cleaning up. We haven't even buffed yet, so here we go with the buffing. Microfiber towel. Do the final wipe down. Bingo. We have a nice clean shiny cymbal again. As you can see, this took roughly 4 minutes to clean an 8-inch cymbal. If I would have done it by hand and used elbow grease, that would have easily took probably 15 minutes to do. So this just gives you an idea of how quickly you can clean your cymbals. So then you no longer hate cleaning your cymbals, you just dislike it a bit.